You know you need to detox. You know it's part of staying healthy for the long haul. But let's be real, detox and easy have never really gone together. That's because most detox methods work by forcing things out. There's harsh ingredients, cramping, and often days of feeling worse before you get back to baseline. So even when you do it, it costs you. And here's what most detox products miss entirely. Your gut is ground zero for toxins. It's where they enter, it's where they accumulate, and it's where the real battle happens. In fact, your gut is so important, it already has a cleanup crew for exactly this job. They're called IgG antibodies, and they're remarkable. They move through your gut, bind to toxins like a magnet, and safely escort them out of your body. No harsh side effects, no recovery days, just precise, targeted cleanup. Here's the problem. Our modern world produces toxins faster than your crew can keep up. Between processed food, tap water, and everyday household products, the toxic load is relentless. And when your IgG antibodies fall behind, toxins accumulate, putting more and more strain on your body. That's why Just Thrive created Daily Gut Detox. It delivers the most concentrated IgG antibody formula available, with 2 to 3 times more IgG than colostrum. So your cleanup crew always has the reinforcements it needs. Plus, it's dairy-free, gentle enough for everyday use, and clinically proven to work. Finally, a detox that works with your body, not against it. Take control of your health today and try Daily Gut Detox risk-free with Just Thrive's 100% money-back guarantee.